老老啊啦。
Yeah.
已 record
晒了晒。
你过来 right？
Huh? No. Like going to drop like that at the pop.
Happy birthday, Shaoxing.
Hey Shaoxing, happy birthday. Hope you're really doing well in the States right now. We really miss you very much in Singapore. Yeah, really wishing you a happy 21st birthday.
Hello, Shaoxing. Hello. Happy birthday. Bye bye.
Hi Shaoxing, Donovan here. I want to wish you a happy birthday, 21st birthday, and let's see. Yeah, hi Adrian. Yeah, I wish you a 21st birthday. Long time no see you. Hope you can come to Singapore and visit us soon. When do you finish your studying? I don't know when you finish, but I wish you all the best in your studies and stop disturbing. I wish you all the best in your studies and you get a PhD and come back and see us. Happy birthday, Shaoxing! You remember me, right? Hello, Shaoxing! Happy birthday! Hi, Shaoxing, happy 21st birthday. Heard that you went to US study. I think you study. Hope you still are close to God and continue not even to walk with Him. And hope your study will be good. Yeah, happy 21st birthday. When are you coming back? You want the present, you know? Sorry, just kidding. Happy birthday!
Shaoxing, where are you now? Yeah, cannot see your face. I don't know where are you. Never mind, I still wish you happy birthday.
Hello, Shaoxing, happy birthday. Hope you are doing well in US. God bless you. Continue to just pray to God daily and love Him so much more. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Yeah, happy birthday, Shaoxing, your 21st birthday. I hope that you will enjoy yourself today, and I also pray that when you see me, you will miss me. But I know you won't. Funny, huh? Okay, never mind. Okay, I hope that you will still remember your dreams that you hold onto and the things that you've been wanting to do for God. And I pray that you are still passionate for Him. Like, hope to see you again soon. Yeah, it's a deal.
Hi, Shaoxing. Okay, now how are you? Okay, I don't want to say I'm very nervous, but we really miss you. Okay, your tallness and your cranky lame jokes. But most importantly, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And we do know that you have friends in Singapore who really care for you, been praying for you, and been lumpy like one of them. Okay, how's studies? How's everything? Okay, I pray that you continue to let God lead you and let God bless your life as you continue to bless others, okay? I'll catch you next time, and please email me, okay? You email me and I'll email you back. Alright, bye-bye, Shaoxing.
Hey Shaoxing, how are you? It's been quite some time since I managed to have a chat with you. Then we just want to wish you a happy 21st birthday. Continue to hold on to God and remember those things that you have learned while you were with us in Harvester. It's just my prayer that, as you move into adulthood and become more mature, having more decisions and choices to make, that God will really show you the plans that He has for your life, and that He will walk with you even through times when perhaps you face loneliness and difficulties that you face in uni life. Just remember that God is always with you, and we are also with you. Anytime, just drop me an email or get a laptop so that we can Skype. Okay, and just hope that you can drop by Singapore soon in your summer holidays and visit us lah. Yeah, so hope to see you soon.
Yeah, wishing you a happy 19th.
Hello. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Hello. So weird. Find this place familiar? Okay, it's where we used to eat. Okay. Birthday, you become. And I pray that you will still be what should I talk about? What should I talk about? Okay, I'll start again.
Happy birthday lah.